main principle when we create our position in the toe is that we have not only to rotate the neck, but we also have to sway the neck.
我们不是只是转脖子往左侧，而是顺着我们的力量往左侧去延伸。
Very big mistake when ladies start to stretch from the hips and keep neck just straight from both sides.
很多时候我们女生只是保持在这个位置，然后呢往后仰着拉着脖子再往后跳舞。
And then she can watch to the left. For example, if I try with Tima, can I ask you please? So I can stay with my nose to the left. I don't see the partner, but I'm still in the center.
但他还是保持在，就是看着像是去左边了，但他其实更多还是在他的一个中间，他没有真正意义上去到女生的左侧。
With the position of our neck, we must take out the head from the man's way.
我们要远离我们的一个男生的一个位置。
So if I sway neck, if I keep my right side of the neck more stretched than the left.
意思是我们更多的是拉长了我们的一个右侧的一个脖子，左边的话呢，就是不会跟它是一样的。
First of all, I stay more balanced. I feel support for my head with my left leg.
首先，我们保持我们自己的平衡在我们的一个左脚上面。
And second, I go away from the way of the partner.
然后呢，第二步就是去远离我们的一个搭档。
Now, when we change weight from one foot to another.
当我们转换一个脚的重心到另一个脚的重心的时候
，it's very important that the head still remains above the right hand of the partner.
这是一个很重要的点，在我们两个的所有的移动的当中。
Very often mistake is that when ladies start to change the weight together with the position of the head.
我们经常会犯的一个错误，就是在改变脚的重心的时候，我们头的整个人的重心也会往另外一个跟着你的搭档去跑掉了。
That's why I suggest you to feel that your body always stay long up to the upper part of the rib cage, and the stretch will start only from the upper part of the right rib cage to the left.
这就是我为什么会建议大家永远要保持你的一个重心的平衡是在你的左侧。
How you can feel better where your head should be? It has to be always above the right hand of the partner. And has to follow his shape of the hand. So the hand is more parallel to the floor. So I feel that my hand is also more parallel to the floor, like this.
有一点讲这一句，我有点没有不太明白他的意思。
So the head should be above the right hand of the partner.
Sorry, pardon.
The head should be above the right hand of the partner. This is how lady can feel. Whether she say correct or not, she must be always above the hands of the partner.
她的头必须要超过她的手放的一个位置。
And it follows the shape of the hand of the partner.
然后，顺着这个 shape， 然后 shape 倾斜，不倾斜，是它的延伸的一个位置，然后顺着她的手的位置。
So the head is parallel to the floor, and ladies should feel the head also more parallel to the floor, not like this, but more like this.
它这头的位置就像它刚才两种，第一种是这样，第二种是在这个位置，是有一个重量的可以有一点放在它的地板上。
So if Olga would have one more eye inside of the ear.
他的左眼会有一个。
She needs to watch with this eye to the floor.
他要投眼睛能够看到地板。
Now wrong one.
这是错的，现在这个是错的，这个是对的。
Now I feel that she is in the space.
所以男生才会感觉到女生在他的位置上。
And another point which is also very important, that the head is always behind the shoulders.
头必须要在你的肩膀后面。
If I put my head on my left ear and put it inside, it will be very empty for the partner.
对，如果你的头没有放正确的位置，男生的手会感觉到空空的。
So we bend to the side and pull back. backwards behind the shoulders.
正确的一个位置，刚才也说了。
Now, those who have couples, can we try now to stay in the position?
OK， 两个人试一下。
And ladies, try to stretch the neck to the left. Okay, now, especially for the professionals, we have third center
第三个位置的重心
and the head.
和头部。
All these 4 points never
四
should
个
be in
位
one
置
line.
不能在一条线上。刚才说的4个中心。
You should every time feel a little slide to the left. Second center in coordination to the first. Third center in coordination to the second. And the head in coordination to the third center.
再向你的
So I never can be just flat, 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 and then I try to stretch my neck. It will not work. So I already start to shift a little bit with my second center, then with my third, and then the head.
4个头部。
To not make yourself heavy, of course, we should produce anyway all this action inside of our feet. We have to produce this action inside of our feet, so we never can go behind the feet.
更多的时候，把我们的重量完全放在我们的一个左脚上。如果我们失去了左脚这个重心，我们就会倒向我们的一个左侧。
So I use the stretch inside of my
去
body,
拧转我的一个身体位置。
but then still I support my left shoulder with my left foot. I'm not going across. 明白？
他翻译不明白，他们明白。
I'm not happy with the ladies because you are not stretching enough to the left with your body as well. Try.
重量放在左脚，但不要就是失去了这个重量，这样觉得重。
So if I show you one more time, stretch the left shoulder blade so the back is not left.
女生更多的是拉长你自己的一个左侧，去超过你的男生，把重量放在他的手上。
Try one more time.
我会感觉他的身体重量能够